What's up with y'all? This your boy BCP Untamed back at you again with another video. And today I'm about to be replacing my RAM with this right here. So look, y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm not a professional. Let's get into it. So this would be the RAM that I'll be replacing it with. This here is the wrong RAM that I first got. So this will be my second time replacing the RAM. I just needed an upgrade, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, this is the new one. This is the very first one I got, and it was the wrong one, which is DDR3. I needed DDR4, so I ended up getting that, and that's what I got in there now. But it's only like, I think it was like 8 gigs. I already had like 4 gigs. Well, this one here, the big dog, you know what I'm saying? This one is, of course, DDR4. But it's 2 sticks of 16 gigs, which in total is 32 gigs. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not a professional, so we're gonna see how this goes, right? So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Oh yeah, I also wanted to bring up, so these things that's laid in front of me are hard drives, right? Well, one of them is a hard drive. So this is the first external hard drive I bought for this computer. I actually bought it for a laptop. When I switched to this, I just switched it over, right? And we all know how hard drives work. There's a spinning disc inside, and stuff happens, right? So let me get you a close-up over here. Yeah, just a Toshiba. Don't mind my ashy hands, bro. I ain't want to put no gloves on, and I ain't want to put no lotion on because I'm about to dig inside the computer. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just a Toshiba. I think it's like a 2 terabyte or whatever. So this started kind of slowing down or whatever. It kind of failed on me a little bit, It goes extremely slow. I didn't even take time to clean it because I just had it thrown in and whatever I had it thrown in. So I go on Amazon, right? I go on Amazon to look for a cheap SSD, solid state drive, right? External. Let's be correct. I end up getting, I think this was my first one, right? And I end up getting my wife this one because I made her get a new laptop, right? And I ordered this one again, right? And I ended up getting this one. So let me give y'all some close-up right quick. So as you can see, this was the one I bought for myself, which is also the one I bought for my wife, and this is what they sent me. This is unbelievable, right? So yeah. So this one failed, and this one failed. When you plug them into any computer, they no longer are recognized as nothing. I don't know what the fuck these were supposed to be. Is these USBs or some shit? But yeah, waste of money. So now I upgraded to the Samsung T7 Shield, right? And I was new to external SSDs. I did a little research on Amazon or whatever. Of course, I go to Amazon and order everything. You know what I'm saying? This is what I ended up with. So that's good. Let me give y'all a close up of this. Yeah, this one comes with a USB-C to USB-C, and also a USB-C to USB-A cable. And it supports, I think let me make sure I'm right, USB 3.2 to get the maximum speed, which is like, I think like a gigabyte per second or something like that. I only have USB 3.0, so it don't reach the full speed. I do not have a USB-C port or a Thunderbolt port or nothing like that. I mean, you can look at this and tell, you know what I'm saying? You can look at this and tell. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking at this camera because I just want y'all to see, you know what I'm saying? The table shaking. Let me get my cracked ass phone out the way, that'll help. Shit. Shit. It's been doing alright, it ain't the fastest, but it's way faster than this, you know what I'm saying? I think I reach up to speeds like sometimes like maybe 32, something like that. I ain't worried about that. The main reason is because I want to take out my RAM. So I'm gonna put this old piece of shit up here that I have no use for because it's the wrong way. Bam, just like that. We put it up, just like that. Easy, simple. The bad boy of the day is this guy here. Very, very low tier computer, you heard me. Like, I mean, look at it. Look at it. So, now we're going to try to dissect this. And that was a while ago when I put this RAM in here. I already did everything, held the button. I'm still gonna touch some of the frame just to be sure. Now, I usually use a drill when I do this shit, but just so y'all don't get on my ass, I'm gonna, try to use this here, my little bootleg screwdriver, whatever. Let me make sure we're still in focus on this camera right Cool. Let's get it. Hopefully this camera ain't overexposed. I think it is by 2 stops, but it's alright. So we got these. Oh, this is perfect. So we can go ahead and unscrew all of these. Let me get you right in the camera. We can go ahead and unscrew these like so. Should I take my wedding ring off or should I keep it on? I don't know. Just seems kind of dangerous. I don't know. We'll find out. You know, when they don't cut back on, we'll know. Yeah. And if y'all hear a buzzing sound, I got a line of AC units outside my window. I was paying my apartment complex. So yeah, as much money as it costs for you, you would think they would not have ACs by your window, but hey, that's life, right? I think I'm taking shit off. I don't need to take out. Okay, we're gonna leave this like this. Hopefully y'all can still see. Now, like I said, I'm not a pro. I can figure things out pretty much, but I'm not a professional. And y'all gonna cringe at this video like, what the hell was he thinking? Because last time I did it, I guess just did what I thought was right. I guess. I don't know. Let me take a drink. Hold on, because this is very stressful. Okay, let's get back into the video. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, okay, I'm gonna take this ring off because, well, I'm not trying to fuck up the system. I'm not gonna make shots, you know. Okay. So what did I do last time? Okay. And by the way, anybody who has experience in doing this, I want you to react to this video and criticize the fuck out of me. I want you to critique me to the point to where I can do this with my eyes closed. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm here to learn. You hear me? Yeah, that's that. So, oh shit, I bent something. And the pressure of being on camera is just insane, by the way. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is a whole different ball game. Doing this shit on camera, I probably would have gotten somewhere by now if I wasn't on camera, bro. Bro, I made this shit so hard. I made this shit so hard, y'all. And please bear with me because I'm focusing with 2 cameras. We're gonna sit this right here off to the side. And we're gonna look at the main component, which I'm gonna show this camera first. Now let's bring it back here. Okay, so we're looking at the inside of the unit. So let's see if I can identify the parts. So off the bat, this looked like the cooling to the CPU, which means the CPU is under this. I watch enough Linus Tech Tips and other videos, but mostly Linus Tech Tips. If you're watching this, hey, he's like, I don't even know who you is. Last time I remember, I think my RAM was on this side, so we gotta take this off along with the front panel because, well, the disk drive, because I think it's in the way. We're gonna go ahead and clip this up, make sure I'm good. All right, we're good now. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclip these, just like that. The unprofessional way. Oh, you wanna get back on? Ain't that some shit? Oh. I wish I had a cameraman to move one of these cameras with me, because I'm gonna have to do so much shit and editing, it don't make no sense. We're gonna skip that step. We gonna skip that step, you know what I'm saying? That's what we gonna do. We gonna go ahead and skip that. And we gonna try to get these damn screws out of here. I should have brought my damn shell over here is what I should have done, but it's cool though. It is cool. Yeah, we're gonna put these on here so we'll know, okay, it goes in the inside. No hard feelings or nothing like that. Hopefully, there's not too much acoustic echo in here. And if it is, oh well, what you gonna do about it? I'm just playing. I know y'all don't even know me. I'm new, And my channel is so damn random, bro. Funny story, the whole reason I even started making these gameplay videos y'all see is because of my son. He liked it. I tried it and he liked it. It was like a thing. Every day he wanted me to have a video uploaded for him to watch, right? Because at first I think I wouldn't even upload them. Then I started uploading them so that way he can watch them in the other room. And what I'll do is I'll make them unlisted on my profile, on my YouTube account, and I'll let him, whatever device he's watching it on, I'll have him logged into my stuff. Well, once I started building up so many videos, it was like, you know what? just release them. I mean, who cares, bro? You know, not too many people gonna see it anyway, and you know, why not? Why the freak not? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so, come on, bro. Hey, this shit is harder on camera, bro. I swear, cause I feel like I'm rushing because I got I think a 30-minute limit on this camera. I don't know what the limit is on this one right here. This one that we looking at right here. So it's way quicker than that one though. I can tell you that much. Okay, so it was something I did. Okay, I got one in before. Here we go. Okay, we got some of the side clamps. Okay, so one was here. How did I even get this out? Come on, man. How did I do this last time? I promise y'all, I did this before. Like, it was only once though, so I'm not acting like I know it all, but god damn. I bet I cursed so many times in this video. Oh man, I don't feel like bleeping nothing out. I'll show y'all what's going on. The same thing, I ain't really getting nowhere. I didn't get nowhere. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But look, we gonna keep it pushing though. We gonna keep it pushing though. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I think I figured it out, right? So I release this button so this can come out. Bam, 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 bam. There we go. I literally had to go off camera to do this. That's the crazy part. But this is not even a part I was trying to fix. Like, I don't understand this at all. What am I doing? My ADHD is whooping my ass right now, bro. At this point, I just want this out. I don't even care about Benny with this. I mean, it ain't like it's the world's greatest PC anyway. You know what I'm saying? Where's the cable at? Oh, shit. So now I gotta try to turn it to where y'all can see it because... Okay, back. Do it have a locking mechanism on it? Can I just pull it? Okay, we can just pull it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. So we got this drive. We got the drive out. Right? That's the SATA cable. I believe that's what that was. Okay, so now we're not unhooking shit else. Okay? We not unhooking shit else. But what we need to get to. So, as you can see, we have our 2 RAM sticks. Have the original RAM that came with it, and the RAM I initially bought, the aftermarket RAM. You know what I'm saying? The aftermarket. So what we're gonna do is unclip these bad boy. Bam, bam. We're gonna go ahead and take these out. We don't even need these no more. So just so I don't get it confused, this is Comitigo. I don't know what that is. This is the original. This is the new one I bought because this one is Samsung and HP. I see that on it. Okay, sorry y'all. I wasn't even showing y'all. But yeah, let me show you over here also. Y'all can't see that probably. But yeah, so this is the one I bought. This is the one that came. No, this is the one that came with it. This is the one that I purchased. And the other one is the one I purchased before this one, but it wasn't the right one. It was DDR3 and I need a DDR4. So look, we're gonna put these over here to the side. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Okay, so look, I'm about to go ahead and get ready to put this in. So let me go ahead and take this out the package. Okay, so we're gonna put this out. Bam, boom. Any instructions? We don't need that. Okay, we just installing this shit. You know, for better or worse, this shit is getting installed, okay? I promise you. I'm gonna take it over here so you can see that this is getting installed, right? 2 sticks of 16 gigs, which makes it 32. What we're trying to do is make it goes this way, okay? We just making sure that everything goes right. You know, we don't need no bull, we don't need no problems. See, I am heavy-handed as hell, so I had to make sure I'm about to break this, you feel me? Cause I'll break some stuff, I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay, so I know that's seated in there correctly, you know what I'm saying? Okay, that part is done, ladies and gentlemen. We got the RAM in. Now we have to try to get everything back in as it was, and hopefully this goes decent enough. Like at this point, I just wanted to turn on, like, you know, because like I just got a feeling that this is not the way it's supposed to be. Look at this, man. This don't make no sense, bro. Like, come on, man. All right, so is this the right way? Doing shit on camera, bro, this is just not my thing. Like, I really tried, but apparently I'm not that guy. That's all it's telling me. I'm sorry, I was putting it back in without showing it on this camera right here. But yeah, apparently I'm not that guy, man. You know, sometimes you think you're that guy, then you find out you ain't that guy. Trying my hardest. Okay, bam. So, oh shit. So this has clips. So we're gonna try to turn this like this. We're gonna try to get those clips back in there like so. Some clips right under here. I don't know if y'all can see. And this is, this is not for the professionals. I know y'all, this computer is not hard for y'all, but this is for people who's newbies like me. People like me who have trouble with this type of stuff. And I promise you, if I wasn't on camera, this would have went way smoother. I promise you. Y'all probably like, stay all safe. Could be. I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong. But that's my story and I'm sticking to it. So anyway, so now I just need to get this to go back in. So which one's going to be the hardest? I like to put the hardest one in first. That's what she said. Let me see. Shit. Can y'all even see what the hell I'm doing? This is the problem. I'm trying to get all this shit on camera. Okay, so look. This is a fucking headache. And I gotta lean over the damn table. I'm just worried about the damn computer working. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. So now, I'm gonna try to get this piece. Is it even the right way? Like so. Damn, my head was in the way. Damn, I'm sorry, y'all. So it looks like we got them in there, y'all. I'm pretty happy about that. I feel like I've been running miles, bro. Like, this is very nerve-wracking for something so simple. But hey, stuff happens, man. I'm gonna hope that we got it up and running. So now I'm gonna pull out my handy dandy low-grade TV screen, which is not a computer monitor, but we work with what we can work with over here. Hopefully this works, man, because if it don't, then I don't know what to do. My son got fingerprints on the screen, and I'm pretty sure I just added more to it. Damn, I couldn't even see what this said, y'all. I might have fucked something up. I might have done that. I mean, I guess it's doing its thing, I guess. Damn, what did it say? No memory? What? Y'all gotta be kidding me. Please tell me this is they messing with me. Okay. Oh, I was scared as fuck. That's gonna be the conclusion of this video, is that we did decent enough till it turns on. If I find out anything else, I will record it. So I'm not gonna say goodbye, I'm just gonna say I'll be right back.